Hey guys, Rick here. Today is Wednesday, January 25th. Time is 11 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, we just had oil inventories, and we got a I had a whiplash down, and then it shot on up here. Okay, let me run you through the day so far. Oh, down pressure. I reached the oversold area, and then it's been whipping around quite a bit. But this is Wednesday. Inventory days are always, I try not to participate in them as much as possible. Okay, but here's what happened. We tested this low, actually the bottom, or no, I guess it's low right here, low of the day. It tested it four times. And unfortunately, I missed the rise up, but the footprint said everything that it was going to head north, and it did up until the inventories opened up. We had a slight divergence coming in off of this doji bar right here as well. So let me see if I can run back a little ways. The original print was at almost 6 o'clock this morning with these large orders. At this point, I don't know what they are, but they were valid, and it kept testing. It tested it here, and this was actually an area I had a limit order set at 48, utilizing 9 and 19. It didn't even reach 9, so I missed the fill, and it tried it here again, and I still left my limit in place when I probably should have been proactive and jumped in at that point there. So, okay, here is, and that would have netted probably about 30 ticks or so, but I would end up getting stopped out here. This is the start of the oil inventory. Is a big whiplash down, and then just this big shot upwards from this point here. And it rose about 80 ticks, I believe, or so. So I was waiting for things to slow down a little bit. We had a big prints here. These folks are getting trapped. I mean, those are huge orders too, 1,000, 990. So these are traps, and then you have some take profit going on over here with the at 53.40. So I got short at 53.39. On this, let's see here, what bar? This bar right here. I got short at 53.39, thinking that was the end of it. So half just came off a little bit ago at this point. So 5 contracts short, 53.39, and we'll see how far it's actually going to work down at this point. All right, guys, I'll be back in a minute, and we'll see where we end up at. Okay, guys, so I pulled 2 contracts off here at 53.09, leaving me 3 contracts short. 53.39 up here. I'm going to leave my stop at break even for just a bit longer and see if we're going to push on down around the 95 level, 52.95 level, and then I'll start adjusting behind the 8 moving average accordingly there. We're still in the slope up. I like to see it either get flat or start coming down at that point. So decent profit coming off at this point here. So we'll see if we can continue to work it down. With it being in the oversold area or overbought area now, I'm liking this move, and we'll see if we can continue to work it on down. All right, guys, be back shortly, and we'll see where we end up at. Okay, guys, so the market has gotten really tired, so we're moving kind of on tortoise speed right now. So here's what I have. I'm 3 contracts short, 53.39. I'm gonna try to pull one more off at 53.09 for 30 ticks, and at that point I'm just gonna set a take profit for 100 ticks down here at 50. I'm not gonna add shooting for the hip right there. I'll probably look right here, 52.67, and I'm just going to walk away from this trade, and I will add to this video if anything changes, but with the markets moving really slow and my ADD kicking in, I'm not going to sit here in front of the computer much anymore. So we're 15 minutes outside of lunch hour in New York, and things probably or may start picking up at that point, but I'll check back sporadically. I have the alert set on my phone for things. Okay, that one contract just came off 53.09, so short 2 contracts now, and I'll just let the alerts tell me when I need to come back to my computer if I need to do some adjusting and everything else that. But everything is set as a OCO right now, so it's either going to hit to stop or it's going to. Let me go ahead and adjust this one here at 52.67. It's either going to hit my stop or it's going to reach on down to 52.67 to take profit there. So, all right, guys, I'll be back with an update to wrap up this video, and we'll see where we end up at. All right, see you in a bit. Okay, guys, time is 4:37 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I actually forgot I was in these trades. OCO did hit, and fortunately it did take profit. So I was working this on down here, and there's actually a wick there. What time is that? There's a wick right here. Happened at 2:30. See if I can find it. Go back on the footprint. Yep. So this is where it took profit. So was in I forgot 53.39. I think that's where my entry was, 53.39, or I had adjusted one of those two, and was short at 52.68. So whatever that math is there. 9, 8, 9, 9, 9, 19, 29, 39. So right around 70 ticks. All right. Well, that worked out pretty good for after a oil inventory day, and when I'm not really a big fan of trading, so but I will take it. So it was a good day, and let me wrap this all up and get this my charts all cleaned up now. So all right, guys, thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.